Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, folks, it's time for another Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, and I'm Joseph Lin. And Alice, 你知道现在你常常出国，对不对？
一年平均100。
100
啦
，100
还
惊死人，一年平均100次，3天，那我很难得今天看到你啊。I was asking how often does Alice, go abroad, and I thought she said 100 times a year. No, 100就是
一次
啦，100的对了。
很难，没100哦。
Okay, 好 about once a year. There's a new set of rules that people have to abide.What you can take onto the plane and what you cannot take onto the plane. 这个你知道吗？就是有一些东西现在真的从台湾出国都不能带了。
第2月份开始，2月份开始。
对，从这个月份开始，就是大家有听说过的，只要是液体的东西或者是喷雾类的这个物品呢，都要很小心，只能带一个而已了。一扎。一扎是一个哦。Okay. So starting this month, again, there's a new regulation. If you are to bring any liquids or any spray cans on with your carry-on, you're only allowed one item per passenger. Okay. And 它的体积呢，它的 volume 不能超过100毫升。And each spray can or container cannot exceed 100 milliliters. All right.And let's go ahead and teach some of these vocabulary right here on the air. 我们今天呢就来教这几个单字好了。
好。
液体。Okay, that's liquids. Spray cans 也就是喷雾。喷雾 Okay. 然后容器 container.
容器
Okay. That's container. And then you're allowed to bring milk for the baby. Milk 牛奶。
牛奶
Okay.
奶粉就牛奶粉。
Okay, that's milk powder, basically, right? Powdered milk. 牛奶听起来好像牛奶哦。我又肚子饿了。
没。
最后还可以带的就是药物 medication.
药。
药或者是你刚刚讲的药物药物就是药物嘛So there you go. I think this brings more safety in the air, and I think it's a good thing. So.Please follow all the rules and have a safe trip wherever you're going. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.